Welcome to the craft galaxy of Unleashius. Today I am presenting you this circular card. You can use it in a scrapbooks or in an explosion box, and it can also be utilized as a frame. So let's take a start in very easy steps and watch this video till the end. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get new updates. There are 4 equal pieces of card sheets. Fold it like this to divide it in 4 equal parts. The size of each sheet is 8 by 8 inch because I want a card of 4 inch. Mark with a pencil like this in all 4 sheets, so we will cut it later. If you skip the cutting, it will be very difficult to fold it. Make a cut like this. After cutting it, you will fold it easily. Apply glue on the folded part and paste it. Fold that part on which we had applied the glue and repeat this step on 3 remaining sheets. After folding all of these, the last step is to join all these parts. If you enjoyed my video, hit the like button and give your feedback in the comment section. Take care and thanks for watching.